Minor disclaimer before we start this video, guys. Originally I was going to have this as a building out the van video, but it ended up just becoming more of a update every now and then, showing the progress kind of video. So yeah, I'm filming this little clip here after everything's all finished. But yeah, anyways, let's go back a few months to where it all began. Hello. Me. Welcome to a little video of us cleaning out and doing some work to home, I guess. That's what this is now, the caravan home. If you didn't see my little update video on this, I'd go watch that for some context first. This is just going to be a little, I don't know what this video is going to be. Cleaning, probably. I'm going to be getting nice and homely in today's video. Yeah. Gotta wear a mask because of all the... Oh, I'm getting there. I was doing the intro. We've got to wear masks though, because the mold might kill us and give us cancer, which is unhealthy. Death is unhealthy. But yeah, this is...
The fridge I cleaned yesterday.
Yeah, the fridge is getting cleaned out. Or these parts. The fridge itself is clean. It's looking
actually working now.
Great. Well, it wasn't working originally, but it is now. Is it actually getting cold now, or...?
It should be.
Well, I mean, it doesn't have that error sign there. That's nice.
That's because... Okay, I found out it was on something other than... so it had to be turned on to auto, so then it'll go and be on the...
Alright, well, the point is, we've done... The fridge is clean, everything else is still in progress. Good thing we get some scour daddies. Oh, there's a crayon on the floor. I don't know where that came from, and if we look behind the TV, there's a woman down there, and I don't know why. See if I can do this one hand. Yep. Oh, no. There we go. Oxygen. Yeah, I feel like I'm from the pandemic. We haven't opened this drawer yet, so we could be in for a surprise, or it could be unbelievably clean.
Ew.
It's not horrible, but it's not great.
I wouldn't touch it unless it's closed.
No, it looks like dirt. I'm gonna be doing the fan. What was that? I think I just popped out of it. Ooh. Oh, look at all of that. Ooh. I can only imagine what it looks like up there. Probably foul. Oh yeah, look at all of that.
Oh, it's making me... Oh, it's going through my mask.
That's disgusting. Alright, we're going to take out the old bed mattress now, just so it's out of here, and it's... Because it's right where all the water was coming through the hole in the roof, so it needs to be taken out and replaced. But with it out, it can stop being damp and moist in here. And then we can get an idea of what we're dealing with under the bed, because we haven't seen there yet.
I feel like you should have shoes.
No, I'll be fine. Does it just lift up?
Oh, gloves. For this especially, because you do not want this on your hands.
Probably.
Go get gloves. Oh god, okay.
What? Is it like glued to the...
Look.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
That's mold.
That's... Ooh.
That's disgusting. Oh, and it stinks.
Yeah, that's not great. Yeah, we should really get this out of here. What's the plan? Are we gonna... Can we slide it forwards enough to kind of put it on its side and take down the stairs, or...
Maybe.
Let's give that a go.
Just gotta
Here.
get off this. No, you can't go.
No, is that a separate...
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, good god.
Oh, yeah, that's like right stuck to it like glue.
Well, it can get up, we just need to...
Alright, yeah, here. Try tilt it your way.
Oh, it's disgusting.
Oh yeah, this side especially. Careful with the... Try slide it and get it on the floor.
I'm trying.
Yeah, I'm gonna try get around, yeah, this end. Ow, my feet. Alright, yep. Okay.
Oh, that's gross.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Happy I told you to get gloves now?
Beautiful. Alright, oh, I'm gonna fall in it at this rate.
Ew.
Yeah, it's not great. Alright, what's the plan now?
Hope we don't get our eyes.
Drag it through to the lounge room, and then we'll turn it out the door. Careful down the stairs. Alright. Right. Now we've got to drag it down. Oh, that. Oh, gosh, that smell. Alright, good. Yep, keep it there. Hold on, I'm coming out. Alright, start pushing it down. Yep, hold on, it's stuck. Ugh. Well, that was disgusting, but we got it out, and now we know what we're dealing with under the bed. A lot of mold, which is never great, but...
We're gonna have to replace that wood.
Yeah,
That's
well...
not gonna be able to do.
I'll figure it out when it comes to it.
Is that a TV or a desk thing?
I don't know what that is.
It's something, and it has a cord.
It's looking pretty clean on the underneath, though. I'd say it just needs a bit of a clean out. There's no actual damage by the looks of it. So I'd say it's not terrible. So as you can probably guess, this is quite a big job and a lot of stuff needs to be done. You guys want to know the worst thing so far? The smell of this cupboard. It's putrid.
Actually, it shouldn't be too bad now.
I don't know, I'm getting some pretty weird smells coming out of it. So I don't know what you're on about, but that...
Maybe open it and leave it open. Actually, not yet, but while
You really want to be left in here with that thing open? Because I don't.
Oh my God.
We'll leave that thing open, it'll kill us in no time. So yeah, all the carpet here needs to be ripped up. And yeah, I've explained all of that in my original video on this, so go check that out for all that information. I don't want to be repeating myself. And then this needs to be, need to get new bulbs or something for that because it's blown. Never mind, this one's actually fine. It was the fan that needs new bulbs. I think.
That one's fine.
Yeah. Well, no, but we need new bulbs for it. This is it at the moment. We need bulbs.
Oh, only one of it's working.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It needs new bulbs.
Only one of the lights is working.
Yeah. So something's gone wrong with the electrical in that one.
No, I reckon.
Looking back at this is going to be weird when it's all done and fixed. More specifically, this part. This is the grossest. Oh, here, take a look in the shower. It is... Oh, look at that. There's a lot of mold. It's... Ugh. It needs to work. It needs to work. Just look at all of this. I guess this is what you get for hitting a bridge. For whoever owned this previously. So, yeah. I have to say that all these cupboards along here, spotless. Looking real nice. So none of that actually needs to be touched. Right, a few days have passed, and the carpet's actually been ripped up now. So all here's gone, it's all got vinyl underneath here. There's still some parts that need doing. That table's actually screwed down to the floor. And this was all actually really dark black mold, but this spray actually cleared it up real nicely, so it's looking a lot better. So that's kind of a little progress update. If you're wondering on how this is all being done, my partner's dad is actually he used to work on caravans and fix them up, so he's helping a lot with the building process, and we're just helping him along the way where we can. So that's who's mainly actually working on this, just because he knows his stuff a lot more than me or my partner do when it comes to working on caravans. But yeah, we're learning quite a bit as we help along the way. So yeah, it's all very interesting stuff. This here is all going to get replaced. We're thinking we're just going to... This carpet's actually not bad at all. We could just give it a good proper clean and it could stay. But we've still got to check underneath to make sure there's no vinyl mold growing on the vinyl or whatever's underneath it. So that's still kind of being decided. But yeah, this disgusting thing here, this is all going to go. Going to be replaced. So yeah, progress is coming along slowly, but I feel like I can breathe in here now without feeling like I'm going to drop dead. So hey, that's progress. Hey guys, so just walking through, some things have changed. The aircon unit has been removed. The bed has also been pulled out. You can, let me move back a bit. You kind of see that here. Alright, so we'll come up into the bedroom. You can see it's gone. And this all, now the carpet needs to all be ripped up in here. And the aircon unit there's gone too. That's also getting replaced. But yeah, the carpet in here is going to be next to go. That's going to all be removed as well. Is that a stick?
Yes, and there's 10 cents.
Unless there's a stick in there. 10 cents?
Yeah, there.
Where are you looking? Oh.
10 cents.
Sweet, I'm rich. There's also some other metal object there. But yeah, some pretty big work has been done. And a new bed frame will also be put in. Alright, hey guys, it's been a bit since I've actually recorded anything, but I'm back with just another little progress update for this video. I know this video has been a little bit all over the place, but yeah, this is how things are currently going. It's a little bit more cleaned out now, it's been a mess. But yeah, up in the bedroom has been really coming together. Got some new vinyl flooring. Doors are in. And the bed's been coming together. The roof has been fixed, it's all done now. But yeah, the bed's slowly coming together, and overall, it's getting really close to actually being finished at this point. It may not look like it, but it actually is. It could even be finished by the end of the current month. Just maybe. So, yeah, apologize. This video, I haven't really done too much with. I was gonna originally do a lot more, but it's kind of been easier to just get things done. So, yeah, having to prioritize filming hasn't really been on anyone's mind working on this caravan. So, yeah, I kind of just opted to make this video more about showing the little progress updates here and there until eventually I do the tour at the end of this video when it is all done. But yeah, this progress update is looking good. It's nearly done at this point. Just gotta finish things up in the bedroom, because this is where most of the damage was. And then, yeah, pretty much from there, it's just cleaning up, putting the vinyl down here for the new flooring, and setting things up and moving in. Oh, and new light bulbs. Alright guys, it is officially done. There's a few little minor things that need to be done, but in terms of being livable, it's ready. Anyways, it is time I show it off. Keep a note, it isn't cleaned out yet. There are still a lot of the tools and stuff, furniture hasn't been fully put in properly, and we still got to move all our stuff in. That stuff all needs to be done, but what I mean by it's done is it's livable now, so we can start moving in. So I figured this would be the final little update for this video, showcasing that, and then it'll be on to, I'll probably do a separate video once we are fully moved in, fully showcasing that side of things. I was originally intending for this video to be more building it out, showcasing that side, but it was kind of just easier to just get in and do things, and yeah. And also because my partner's dad was working on it, he was doing a lot of the bigger parts of the project when I wasn't here, stuff like that. I just ended up turning this into a video where it's just like updates here and there of the progress, and I hope you guys don't mind that. Anyways, enough talk, let's check this thing out. So it's pretty much the same from last update. The bed still needs a mattress, but that's fine. Here's the bedroom. The air cons also still need to be wired up, but that's fine as well. Down here, all the flooring is in. This is all the same pretty much from last time, except all the flooring's done and it's got all the nice edges. But as you can see, everything's looking nice. Of course, all this still needs to be cleaned out, but it's looking pretty sweet. Happy with how it's turned out. It's looking good. But as I said, it probably doesn't look complete because, you know, everything's, well, you know, there's still cleaning up that needs to be done, so it's still a bit of a mess. But you guys will see it once we're fully moved in. I'll do a separate video fully showcasing it. Then I think that'll be a fun one. That's the one where you'll really see the difference. But until then, see you guys. This has been a months of time now, this project, so it's going to feel good to get this video out. But hope you enjoyed how it just kind of became a more updatey video, and hope you didn't mind that. Anyways, I've rambled on enough. Hope you enjoy, and yeah, I look forward to showing it once we're actually moved in, because it'll look really good then.